Welcome to the channel where we discuss tips, strategies, and product listing ideas for dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. My name is Nathan Isaac, and in this video, we'll dive into the top 10 home and garden categories you should focus on for dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. But before we get started, make sure to leave us a comment below and let us know which dropshipping categories you've had success with. Okay, let's get into the list. Number 1, home decor. One of the most versatile categories on our list, allowing you to take this niche in many exciting directions with a vast array of furnishings and styles to select from. The second category on our list is small appliances. While there is certainly a market for larger products like washers, dryers, and refrigerators, we recommend dropshipping smaller items such as toasters, blenders, and waffle makers for higher profit margins. Number 3, bed and bath. These two relatively more intimate rooms of the home offer a variety of not only decoration ideas, but also the opportunity to relax and unwind with these items such as pillows, candles, and soaps. Our fourth category is kitchen and dining. Help customers bring these social areas of their home to life with an unlimited amount of useful kitchen gadgets and cooking accessories, as well as furniture and decoration ideas for the dining room. Number 5, indoor-outdoor furniture. Facebook typically does not offer a shipping option in the furniture category, but you'll find it's an easy workaround to simply list these items in related categories to start making sales. In future videos, we'll be diving into this and other categories even more to reveal several items that have made us thousands of dollars in profit dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Number 6, garden and patio. Many of your customers will be looking to enhance their outdoor oasis, which provides a perfect opportunity for you to list a wide selection of profitable patio products and gardening items. Category number 7 is indoor-outdoor lighting. Lighting is definitely at the top of the list in terms of overall variety of best sellers. Closet lighting, garden lighting, motion censored, automated, and solar powered lighting are just a few niches to explore. Number 8, home improvement. Of course, we don't recommend trying to drop ship large items like lumber and sheetrock, but this category is a goldmine of opportunity with millions of small, unique DIY tools and supplies to list for massive profit. Category number 9 is storage and organization. Garages, basements, attics, and warehouses all across the land are screaming for some TLC. Totes, bins, bags, hangers, and shelves are profitable items all year round. Number 10, lawn care. In addition to mowers, string trimmers, and seeders, mulch and soil are also among the best-selling high-ticket items in this category. But trust me, there are tons of parts, accessories, and impulse buys with close to 100% profit margins waiting to be listed. I hope these categories have helped to inspire some ideas about what to list for sale in your dropshipping business. But if you'd like to skip all of the guesswork of choosing which items to list and instead have the power to pinpoint only the best-selling, most profitable items inside any category with one click, I'd like to invite you to check out the powerful product research tool on FBMFOX, which you can try out absolutely free by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out these other videos on Facebook Marketplace dropshipping.